Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to create a robot in Autodesk Maya 2012. So the first thing you will need before creating this tutorial, because I'm gonna use a plugin called V-Ray, so you should download it from the website. That's what I did. Now when we create it, we go to the polygons. I'm gonna choose a sphere as a beginning. I'm just gonna choose a sphere, put it inside. Or actually, I'm not gonna use a sphere. I'm just gonna use a square. That's better. Right now, press 5 to see the shading mode, and press over 3. Now you saw kind of a good looking face. Second thing you will need it. You can see some problems in the shape because I'm using a cube, so that means don't use a cube and use a face. That's better. A sphere. Second thing you will need to do right now is to create the glasses, as what I am gonna do. I'm gonna select these shapes right here, and it's good right now. That's what I think. I press over extrude, press over this button right here, I'll restore it and put it inside like this. Press over G to do another extrude, another time inside, and G. Now when you press over 3, you can see this result. Kind of a good looking robot, just as a beginning. And the second thing, let's create the kind of this mouth. His mouth should be like this. Press over extrude, inside a little bit, another extrude, one like this, and G. But it looks like I chose the wrong faces. I should choose these faces right here instead of that face. Yes, like this is better. Move it inside and press over G. Now the third step to do is kind of, let's create it's good until now, it doesn't need. Now let's create its body. Let's say its body is gonna be a square thing, square modeling stuff, something like this. So I'm just gonna select the faces that are right here. I'm just gonna select all these faces by pressing over this button. Select these faces, as you can see, and after that press over extrude again. Now let's press this button and take it down like this. Press over G, and right now I'm gonna just make it a little go down like this, and another G, and take it down. Press over G again. I think that's good until now, as a beginning. Now press over G again and make the shape a little much more bigger, as you can see, and take it down. Take it down like this. Press, I will just take it up to make the hands, to know where the hands gonna be. The arms, actually, not the hands. These are the arm side, and take it down like this until the end of the shape. This is the beginning of the modeling of a robot. Right now let me select the hands faces right here. I'm gonna cut it. It's good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this face 2 parts. Just 1 second until I make it correctly inside this, and take it like this. After that, press right click faces, delete these faces right here, press over delete, because you won't need them anymore. If there are extra faces that were out, just delete them too. But we can see there are some faces right here, like this one and that one. Now everything looks good, so press over 3 again and try to model the arms, which are gonna be here. I'm gonna select the arms, as you can see this. Press over extrude right now another G and take it down like this. Let's say, for example, press over G to decrease the size of it. Actually, that's good. And now everything looks good from this shape, simple shape. And let's create its legs. Its legs are gonna be square shaped legs, like this. Increase its size, take it down. Press over 3 to see the actual good looking of this shape. Now it's better. So take down this. Now this is a simple shape of the robot. Let's take a sculpting of over it and make it much more complex. Like the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some stuffs right here. Press over extrude. Take it like this. Extrude again. Take it up, and little increase in the size like this. Press over G and down. This is a kind of a modeling thing, so they can see it's kind of a robot. Also, its fingers. Its fingers is gonna be. I'll select these both and go to the edit mesh. Take this out and make an extrude again. As you can see, I am right now gonna increase their size, decrease their size. Press over G and take it up, maybe like this, so that actually it's not good. Let's restore what we did until now. It's good right here. So press over this button and added one hair and one hair, so that right now I can get much more mesh. Press over extrude. I forgot before making extrude to make this on again and make it restoring. Let's say like this. Good looking. And after that, leave it. Now everything looks good from this shape. Let's go here over this thing right here and make an extrude again here. One hand and make an extrude over it. Take it up like this, sorry, down, and after that make another extrude right now. Let it look up and little increase in the size to be good. Extrude back in. Good looking shape until now we got. After the smoothing, this will look much more better than what we got right now. I'm gonna increase and make an extrude on this. And like this looks good. Take it a little back like this. Press over G again. Take it up. G. Looks good. The result looks good. I'll go back and delete these faces because I'm gonna make a mirror after that, so I won't need them. I'm just gonna delete them. So when I press over 3 right now, you can see a result like this. I'm gonna continue my work right now. I make another extrude on this shape, but inside. Just make an insert pole, and right now select these faces, or actually only this face, both of them, and make extrude over it. Take it up, just only up is good, or actually take it down. Make G to make the extrude occur, and delete that face. You won't need it. Press over 3, so that you get a result that looks like this. Right now, let's select this leg, make it much more bigger, and after that select downside of it to be looking like this. Good looking. I'll make a mirror of this shape. Select it, go to edit mesh, mirror geometry. This is the X, so we need minus X over it, and make mirror. It's kind of a far from its place, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it back, select this shape and put it exactly in the middle, and go to mesh, mirror geometry, mirror. Just go restore this so that I only select this face. Try to get the right mirror geometry, shapes, connect border edges, and also mesh with the original. Press over mirror right now. You get this kind of a result, so I'm just gonna make it back, select it, take it like this, press over modify, freeze transforms, and after that mirror geometry again, so you can get this good looking mirror. I'm just gonna correct some mistakes that occurred here. So press over F and see which mistakes occurred, like this face, we won't need it. So press over delete and delete it. There is still another one here, kind of age. If it doesn't be deleted like this, just go to the edit mesh and delete edge vertices. There's another one, same step. Delete edge vertices. I'm gonna delete everything that is there and delete. Sorry, not merging, I mean by deleting. Press over this button, select everything, edit mesh, delete agents. It won't matter a lot, but to make some problems, so that's what I don't need to make, trying to avoid it. Good looking result happened and occurred to me. This thing right here can be fixed by pressing over right face and selecting the vertices, select this vertices, press over W and move it up so that you get rid of this thing. Select this vertices and get it up. Select these two right here and get them out. Not so much, and looks good, no problem until now. A good looking result. It will be actually be hidden since I'm just gonna put something over it, like this cylinder. Actually this cube, I'm gonna select it and put it right here, raise its size, something like this, put it here, press over 3, increase its size like this, select the age, put one right here and one right here, so that you get much more better result. Try to select the vertices and take it back like this. Another one from this side, take it back. Select the upside ones and hide it like this. Downside is the same. Take it and hide it. Same thing is gonna occur here. And after that, press over object mode. So you get this result, this kind of looking design. Press over Ctrl D to make a duplicated one. You can get this robot. You can also create hair for it if you need. It's not important, but you may need it. So right click face, select this tool and take these ones, select the faces, and right now the ones that are in up, increase the size of it so you can get much more bigger result, but it looks like we don't need it. So press over W and extrude this area. I want the extrude to be exactly in the middle, so extrude it like this and press over 3, or actually press over G. Before pressing over G, I'll take it down the same as what I did before. Take it down like this, press over G, and after that wait for a couple of seconds until it loads and take it up. So you get this result. Kind of a good looking robot, so simple to create. We want to make something hard. Select this face, also this one, press over extrude again and take it like this. Make sure to make this down and take it down, so you'll have this result, this kind of shoe. Select the faces that are down the robot, press over extrude over it, take it like this, press over G, take it down, another G and up. So you get this kind of shape. You can press over both of them without keeping the meshes, so you get this result. So you get difference between them as the reality, as how the reality shows somehow like this. Press over extrude here too. Actually we won't need an extrude here, it looks good. Simple shape, looks very good. I'll delete this one, press over Ctrl D and copy this to the side. Maybe I'll need some effects right here, for example, selecting this one, extruding it, taking it down, extrude again, up, extrude down, extrude up. So I get this like kind of something weird that's protecting the leg. Delete this one, press over Ctrl D, go to the channel box, make the minus here, press over W and move it. So you get this weird robot shape, can be used anywhere whenever you need it. And also select, make some hair looking for it. For example, we added one hair, 1, 2, 3, extrude. I forgot to keep the faces together. After that, extrude, take it up, take it down actually, and extrude it again and up. So you can see this is the wireless, something like this that he got. Select something like cylinder, make it so small and take it hard. I'll make it much more smaller like this and put it right here just rotate it so it looks good and take it back. It looks good. The result is looking a little good. I think the radius must be a little much more smaller like this. Yes, now it's good. This is the robot. As I said, we're going to create a robot in this tutorial. So hope you liked this tutorial, and wait for the rendering part of this one. Thanks for watching.